this phone, I cannot turn the camera when I pause it, so you cannot see me. I can try, but yeah, no. So this is me. Yeah. Ronald. This is Mrs. Bro. This is my house. JK. This is actually though. So hope you guys will enjoy this vid. Let's get started. Yup. all the distractions. But yeah, this was a short video. Could have been longer, like 6-10 minutes or something, but whatever. And hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah, make sure to subscribe